Hey there, friends. Welcome to INSPIRO, your cozy virtual cafe providing you a quick dose of daily inspiration. Grab something warm, coffee or tea, take one breath, and let's talk about something that really matters. And as always, we're sitting in this beautiful cafe, looking at the people around us, drinking coffee and tea, having fun, talking to each other. So we're doing it in the real space. I apologize for all the noises that you can hear, but we really want to bring you this vibe of the cozy cafe and let you feel it as much as you can. Today I'm serving you a short espresso episode, 5 minutes, one life moment, one small shift you can try tonight. Today's episode is called Resilience Without Perfection, because resilience isn't always staying calm. It's what you do after you weren't. Just imagine that. Saturday morning, around 9:30, second floor, living room and kitchen, open space, so every sound feels like a little bit louder than it should. And the waffle iron cakes, and the sweat smell is everywhere, warm vanilla, butter, and the kind of smell like that says, today will be gentle day. And I'm moving slowly today, and not lazy slow, but more like my brain has been working overtime all week slow type. And you know that feeling where you're functioning, but your inner battery is blinking at 6%. And my son is doing really good. He's happily playing, totally in his world. And I remember that each Saturday and Sunday we are doing some trainings, helping him with reading, math, and writing. So I'm saying that in my calmest, nicest voice. I tell him, honey, it's time to train. You can choose reading, math, or writing. And for half of a second, it's fine. And then I watch the switch flip. His shoulders rise, his face tightens, and suddenly my kitchen becomes a place where an ambulance siren is doing a live concert. Not a complaint, not a negotiation, a siren. And here's the honest part. I held it for a bit. I tried the calm voice, I tried the reasonable words, but the siren kept going, and my calm didn't. And the moment I lose it, I raised voice. And my mind doesn't just notice it, it actually judges it instantly, like minds do. And in my head, I hear the conclusion saying that, oh, since I lost it, I'm very weak. And like my inner judge shows up with the clipboard. Your performance has been reviewed. Results are disappointing. And what bothered me most is that in that moment, all the usual advice like breathing, positive thinking, didn't touch it. It was like trying to fix a fire alarm with a motivational quote. So today is not about how to never lose it. It's about what to do when you already did, which actually happens quite often with most of us, with the best of us. Because that's the real skill. Resilience without perfection. You can check it out. Back in the season 1, in the episode called The Art of Acceptance, we share the RAIN meditation, RAIN meditation, which stands for Recognize, Allow, Investigate, and Nurture. But in a loud, fast moment, I needed something even simpler. So I built a 3-step emergency tool for myself, and I call it CPR, like an emotional first aid. C stands for seize, P, protect, and R, repair. So seize, C means, just stop adding fuel. And my sentence is like, say, let's take a break, to yourself and to the person that you might argue with. Not as a threat, not as a drama, but just pause button. 1 breath, 2 seconds, stop talking long enough to stop the spiral. Then P, protect. Protect means protect the nervous system, protect yourself with care, not criticism. My best protect move is physical. For example, I do the short walk, which helps me to think and gives me time to repair. So just movement, enough to lower the volume inside my body. And while I walk, I use my ankle line. I say, I care, I'm learning. And next time I will do it a little bit better. The sentence is the opposite of I'm weak, which I said in the beginning to myself. And the last one is our repair. Repair means restart the connection with the person, right? In this case, with my son. And I keep it tiny, just 3 lines. You should admit it. I got reactive, and I'm sorry. And I know that was very rough for you. And let's restart from here. Because resilience isn't winning every moment, it's repairing the moment you didn't. Here's your tiny action for the week: practice CPR once on something small, a tense message, a sharp tone, a moment where you feel your body heat up and your mind starts handing out verdicts. So, thank you for joining me here at INSPIRO, your cozy virtual cafe, for this 5 minutes espresso episode to bring you a quick dose of daily inspiration. And one last thing: remember to smile, because when you smile, the world smiles back. Have a beautiful day and live a life filled with inspiration. Bye for now.